Oh my god. Oh my god, look. Oh my god. My baby. Whoosh! See, I was quiet at the beginning.
We have 200 bottles of Coke.
200 litres.
200 litres Coke. 100 bottles of Coke.
Yeah.
200 litres.
Yeah. A load of Mentos.
A load of Mentos.
We had 90 packs.
We've got one real Coke.
We've got one bottle, yeah, because that's for effect and look right at the beginning of the video. So we've gone there because that's like £1.50, right? And those are like 17p.
Yeah, so we are going to turn this household recycling bin into a giant Coke bottle.
Exactly that. And then on top of that, we have got a bottle of CO2.
And you know why we've got that? Because we tried it with the bath.
Yes.
And we released all the gases once we'd poured it. We are going to re-put the gas into the bin, and hopefully this just goes everywhere.
Look at your hair!
I'm not allowed my hat on.
Your hair cracks me up every time. Right, we've got a wicked experiment. We've been down the recycling plant. They've loaned us a bin, which they probably ain't going to get back because we're going to drill holes in it.
No.
We've got some plumbing equipment. We're going to put some fittings on top and bottom. We're going to fill it up with all these Coke bottles. Up to around about here, fingers crossed. We might have to add some water into it as well.
We're going to sort that crack out.
Sort that crack out, and then we're going to cut a hole in the top of the bin. Yeah, that 110 waste fit in there, stop end. And then the idea being is we fill it up, we tape this down, we silicone it, we make sure it's airtight.
We re-CO2 it.
We CO2 it, we compress the shit out of this bin so it's ready to explode.
Lift this off.
And then all of a sudden go in.
Full of all the Mentos. We've got baking.
We've got bicarb soda as well, baking powder. So we've bicarb powder and baking powder with Mentos in a bucket, and fingers crossed we go 40 foot in the air with a Coca Cola explosion. It's got to work. We've done it with a bath, and the bath created a big fizz.
If this one works, right, and we get the effect that we want, everyone that watches it has to share the video. Because we have taken ages to try and find that gas.
I ain't going to lie to you, bro.
5 hours.
5 hours. This has been 5 hours of prep for 3 minutes of fun. It's just like my love life.
Right, we're going to make it. We're going to fill it up, and then we're going to let you see the explosion.
There you go. Let's get busy. 100 bottles of cheap Diet Cola.
And look at this mixture.
What's in there?
Baking powder and all the Mentos.
Oh, nice. And bicarb powder.
And bicarbonate powder.
And we've still got that one to go in, which I think you'll do at the end, because that's obviously the big brand. But we're waiting for our hose attachment for our CO2.
From there, into there, open it up, let the gas in, shut it, pop the lid, pour the Mentos, massive explosion.
He's on. We're on. He's on, Sam. Right. Is that filling up now? We're not sure how this is going to go.
We was just going to put hose pipe to it, cuz.
We have a fully trained adult.
Yeah.
Fully trained adult who does bars, so hopefully this goes to plan.
We've got a professional here, yeah?
Disclaimer is he takes full responsibility for this stupid act that we're about to pull off.
I'm not sure if I'd stand that close, Bryce.
How much do you reckon? Is that enough now? What, you reckon pull that lid off and go?
No. What PSI is in
I'm going to
that?
have to pull the lid and I'll pull this.
What PSI is in that in a minute? Do we know? How much?
What, you reckon that's enough?
Well, he's on the lid duty.
Is that enough? No?
No.
We're waiting.
Should I wait till the bin's like vibrating and all that?
Shaking up.
Need to get it can't stay on the floor no more.
Does that need to be sealed more?
You need to seal that.
Sam, come on.
Oh.
You can hear it now, can't
This
you?
is getting tense.
Oh, it's bubbling, cuz.
Is it?
Bro, it's bubbling. Oh, it's going hard.
Can you hear that bubbling?
Sam,
That's bubbling.
ready?
That's bubbling. Come on.
Yeah? What's happened?
Don't look in it, right?
What's happened?
No, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ah.
I've got the 13-foot pole!
Oh, man. Look, we've got with the pole and everything.
It's not sealed properly.
It's like a, Brad?
Well, it's supposed to be a volcano.
Yeah, Coke with Mentos.
I'm disappointed, cuz. I spent all day on that, bro. I spent 5 hours on that. That's got 200 litres of Coke in it, man.
Oh dear. Sam? I think we should reevaluate this one.
Why didn't that work?
Because there's air getting in. Because it's not got to be sealed. It's got to be a sealed unit. If it's not a sealed unit, the CO2 won't build up.
Look like a
See?
real- yeah, there you
Blowing the top off.
That was on, cuz.
That was fixed.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, right, give it a shake.
What's the tissue in there?
That's the shit in the back. That's a bin, mate. That was a working bin, my friend.
You didn't even clean the crap out.
No. I was hoping for it to go up in the air and be toilet roll everywhere.
go. Even gonna let that rubbish go right up.
You take the rubbish out.
There's a sanitary towel on the bottom.
We gotta take it back to number 6.
Yeah. So sorry, number 6.
Oh, that is horrendous.
That was stuck. That must
was
have not
actually
been
stuck
sealed properly, that.
Yeah.
That was stuck, but that needed a bit harder.
Right, boys. I think we go again.
Yeah.
Sam?
I can't even believe it. Right, we couldn't leave you like that, so we're reattempting. We're going to seal the lid, and then we're going to fill it with more pressure.
Yeah, we're filling the lid up. We've got some flash band on it. Proper gypsy roofing this is. That is finest.
We'll come back to you. Can't go wrong. Oi, number 6 is going to be big.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Lids on, lids on, lids on, lids on.
Fire! Hey, matey! Yes, that done it. That's it.
Wow, look at the state of the hub. Oh, it split the bin, bruv, look. No. Wow.
Look at the form.
Where's the lid? Oh no, lid's over here. The lid went there, cuz, look. Oh no, look at the back of the bin. No. Wow, a hole in it, bro. Rip the bin apart, mate. Oh, look. Oh my God.
Look at it. It's around here. Right, see this?
I see that there. Wow.
We should have shut the shop.
Rain, you better get on the broom, girl.
Wait, why did we shut this?
I don't know.
You said we should
No, but I don't know why we didn't shut a shot. Well, I just thought it was going to be a pretty wet, like, fountain. A pretty little fountain, bro.
You didn't think it was gonna go, did you?
I didn't think it was going to go bang like that.
That's it.
That's right, though, isn't it? Fill it to the top.
And then the pressure
Fill it
up.
with the CO2, and then bang with a crow bang. That helped you along the way, though, isn't it?
Just a little bit.
Wow. Well, there you go. We've got about an hour of clearing up to do. Oh my God. Oh my God, look. Oh my God. My baby. Wow.
Oh, we're in trouble here, boys. What? I'm just blue roll.
I was using it, I just chucked it in the bin. I was just chucking it. Right, I'll put the kettle on if you start clearing up, yeah? Yeah?